Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to use the instant buy and sell feature on Vault. Once you are on your Vault dashboard, you can see the button buy and sell. Please click that. Once you are on this page, you can select which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy Bitcoin. Once you press on that, you can choose if you want to buy or sell. If you want to buy, enter the amount. Suppose you want to buy 5,000 rupees worth of Bitcoin, type 5,000 rupees. Now you can see the summary. You will be spending 5,000 INR and you will be receiving 0.00126 Bitcoins. Just swipe to buy. And that's it, you got your first Bitcoin. So it was that easy to buy Bitcoin using INR on Vault. Now if you want to sell your Bitcoin, go to the sell option. Enter the amount of INR you would need and you can check the summary out here and swipe to sell. So it was that easy to transact cryptocurrencies on Vault using the instant buy and sell feature. If you want to check out Vault, the link is in description to check it out.